Today we are drawing a pineapple poppet. So, let's get started. First, I am drawing a pineapple shape. Now, I will draw 5 lines in the pineapple. It's time to draw a poppet! Yay! I love poppet! They are so fun! Highlight our drawing. Now we will fill rainbow colors. Green, yellow, orange, red, pink, yellow, orange, and it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.